Hello guys, Amit this side. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect or link your Facebook page within Facebook Ads Manager. In the last video, I have already shown you how to log into your Facebook Ads Manager account or Meta Ads Manager account. So if you don't know how to create your Facebook Ads Manager account, check this pop-up where I have linked the same video. Go and watch that video so that you can gain access to Facebook Ads Manager account. Once you log into this Facebook Ads Manager dashboard, check on the left hand side, you will see this hamburger icon. You will see all tools. Click here, all tools. Then click on the business settings. After that, you will see this landing page where on the left hand side you see a lot of options. In this, we will skip this part, the user part, which is not required as of now. We'll move to the account section. If it is closed, just click on this drop down arrow so that it can open up. And in this account, move to this part called pages. Click here. On the right hand side, you will see option to add your page here. Here I have already linked these two pages to my account. And if you want to link your own Facebook page, then click on the add and select add a page. Here it will ask you for your page name or URL. You can check your Facebook page URL and just copy paste here. It will automatically fetch your Facebook page. If you are able to recall your Facebook page, then you can just type it out. I'll show you one example of my page. This is my page. I'll select this page and click on add page. Once you click on add page, it will start displaying over here. This confirm that you are successfully linked Facebook page to your ads manager account. Now we have added the page. Now next thing we have to do here is click on the assign people. Once you click on assign people, by default you will see your name here. Here my name is flashing, Amit Khodke. So I'll select my name, Amit Khodke. On the right hand side, we have to provide a permission, like what kind of permission we want to assign. Since we are the owner of this page, so we want full control of this page. That's why we'll scroll down and select this option, full control, business tools and Facebook. So you want all the permission for your Facebook page, so just enable this button. And if you're planning to integrate any third-party CRM application to manage your lead, you need to enable this button. Otherwise you will not see the lead push notification on your CRM. Okay, so just enable this one. So then click on the assign button and click done. Now in the people section, you will see your name and all the permission you have associated with this page. Okay, so this is how we connect Facebook page within the Facebook Ads Manager account. Watch this video again and complete this process. If you're facing any issue, just leave your comment and I'll try to reply over there. And if you want immediate assistance, I have provided my contact details within the video description. You can use that to reach out to me. In the next video, I'll show you how to create ad account. Till then, try connecting your Facebook page and I'll see you in the next video.